for my first DIY, I'm using this colorful paper instead of the brown covers we usually use to cover our notes and books. And you can see how cute it is looking. It is very simple, and I'm covering it in the same method we use the brown covers to cover our notes. These colored papers and designed papers are easily available at any stationery near you at a very low price. So I think this is really a very good method to give a little change to your notebooks and books. And yeah, it is done. You can also put labels on it if you want. Now for the second DIY, I'll be showing you how you can make a good bookmark by using a hard chart paper and different color washi tapes. Now simply one by one you have to just paste these tapes, and this DIY is usually for the people who are not very good when it comes to DIYs and craft. You can always play with colors, just remember to keep a sequence so that it looks very neat. So you can see how easily I made it, and yet it looks very beautiful. Now you have to carefully punch in a small hole. Here I am using red satin ribbons. You can use any thread or lace or something if you want. I had this transparent bag from a very long time, so I simply painted the white area, and it really looks very cute now. In case you don't have any designer paper or color paper, you can always use small sheets to cover your notes as I'm doing. Firstly, I use this white chart paper on the top, and now I'm using the pink one. You can always choose any color of your choice. Now I'll be using these washi tapes to cover the borders to give it a more presentable look. I've written notes with painting colors on a small chart paper, and now I'll be pasting it at the top. You can either write your name if you want to. And yes, it is done. Here I am giving a little transformation to my boring pouch by using washi tapes. Yes, you can say I'm addicted to it because once again I'm using them, but they look very beautiful effortlessly. Also, I made these small heart shapes on glitter foam sheets, and now I'm simply pasting it. You can take the sheet of any color of your choice, and you can see it is really looking very cute as compared to how it was looking earlier. Yes, I used washi tape again. But yeah, it is really giving a very different look to my sharpener, and it is totally up to you. Here I used a small paper with small little designs on it to cover my Fevistick, because I really like making things look different from how they usually look, and everything in my pouch is looking now very different, very cute, and I'm really loving this one. Okay, so now this one is totally up to you if you want to use it or not, but it is really looking very good. Also for the marker, I used this red chart paper to cover it, and yes, you can see everything now in my pouch is looking so different and cute. This DIY was really very simple, and you don't have to be a perfect artist to do it. You can simply do it by cutting and pasting things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To let me know in the comment section below if you do. And you people can also join me on Instagram. Its link is given in my description box.